If this is the first time you're using hifold with a child, you'll need to make sure it's set correctly for that child, and in future you'll not have to repeat those steps with this child. Adjust the booster to the maximum height and maximum width. Place the booster on the vehicle seat with the back of the booster contacting the vehicle seat back. Sit the child in the seat. Make sure the child is sitting correctly in the seat with their lower back and upper back contacting the seat back of the hifold. Do not let the child slouch down on the seat bottom with the lower torso forward of the seat back. Adjust the height of the headrest and seat back so the shoulder belt guide is just above the top of your child's shoulder. To adjust, have the child lean forward so that you can access the green headrest height adjustment lever under the fabric headrest adjustment cover. Lift the lever up with your fingers and raise or lower the seat back and the headrest to the desired height. Release the headrest height adjustment lever to lock the headrest in place. Adjust the width of the seat bottom sides so they are close to your child's thighs by pulling the seat bottom slide lock forward and sliding the seat bottom sides in. Adjust the width of the seat back so they are close to your child's shoulders. To adjust the sides, have the child lean forward and lean the seat back forward to access the seat back side adjustment knob, and rotate it clockwise to move the seat back sides into the correct position. Adjust the width of the headrest sides so they are close to the side of your child's head by pushing on the headrest side lock and sliding the headrest sides in. With all the adjustments, pull on the sliding part to ensure that it locks in place. Once you know the correct position of each of the adjustable sections for your child, you'll not need to repeat these steps with the child sitting on the booster. You can simply set everything to the correct position and adjust out as your child grows.